Hey everybody, it's Rulon Brown from Key Leaves. Today we are here in beautiful New Orleans at JEN Conference, Jazz Education Network Conference 2020, and we have a special guest, Roxy Coss.
Hi everybody, excited to be here.
Yeah, so Roxy, if you've not heard her music, she's a wonderful composer, band leader, saxophonist. You are crazy busy, super working,
yes.
And so we wanted to sit down with you for a minute and just kind of see what you're up to. And I think maybe to start it off, could you tell us a little bit about your super award-winning year? You've had an amazing year with your quintet, with some readers' polls, so tell us about that.
Thank you. It's been great. We released our most recent album, Quintet, in August, and it's on the Best of 2019 list from Downbeat. We are in our second year of a grant from the local 802 Musicians Union, so that's been helping things. Really great program. And I'm on the Downbeat Readers and Critics Poll now for soprano saxophone, so it's
double honors
awesome.
there.
Yeah,
it's great. And do check out her quintet album. I had the pleasure of hearing them live recently. It's a great band, really fantastic album. Check it out at roxycoss.com. roxycoss.com.
Yeah.
And then also this year you kind of changed your setup a little bit of what you're playing with Daily Rig. Can you talk about that?
Definitely.
What inspired this for you?
Yes. Well, about a year ago I switched horns. I had been playing a Mark VI for 19 years, and I just wanted to find a new sound. I felt like it was like, okay, this is the sound, the 6. You hear the 6 before you hear me. So I switched to a P. Moriat tenor, and I love it. It's like a big, fat sound. It's really wide, and I can push into it and explore different textures almost.
Yeah.
Like, it's great. And then I've been playing Van Doren stuff for a very long time. So I have a Van Doren B16. It's a T6 tip opening with optimum ligature and ZZ 2.5 reeds. And I actually switched that whole setup about 2 years ago when I injured myself. I was recording with Diva and playing too much clarinet without preparing, and I pretty much herniated my throat. So I had to take about a month off playing and build back my chops, and in the process I completely changed my setup, I completely changed my embouchure, how I was playing, my air support, the shape of everything, and I downgraded in size. So I used to play T9 with an MO, ligature, and 3 reeds, and now it's like a much smaller
tip, softer reed. What's that give you?
For me, it's more flexible because it forces you, if you want the air to go through, to be more loose.
Yeah.
And so then everything's vibrating more.
Right.
It's more resonant. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
Cool.
Yes. And I also use the Van Doren harness because of that as well. Because the neck strap pulls forward, and as you can hear in my voice, it cuts off the air. So the harness allows the weight to be distributed more evenly around your body.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Wow. So let that be a lesson to you. Don't ever play clarinet.
Yeah.
No, I'm just joking.
No. Just prepare and practice first.
And it was about back pressure, right? Because when you're working that hard on a big tip opening hard reed, you got tension in your jaw.
Yeah.
There's a lot of tension that develops in the neck when you're really having to fight back on something.
Yes.
Not just reed resonance, right?
Yes.
And then of course back pressure on clarinet, like clarinet, oboe, you have way more resistance.
Yeah,
and
totally.
that just
Trumpet, all the small instruments.
Yeah, that's interesting. I had a similar situation where I loosened, I went to a softer reed. I chilled out my tip opening because I got in a car accident and I had this horrible neck pain that was affecting me, and I just couldn't do it anymore. And luckily I had a mentor at the time who was like, well, do you need a 3.5? Like, why don't you just chill out and focus on resonance? Like, play one note for a month. And it was beautiful for me. That changed me. Isn't it funny how like the things that hurt us sometimes heal us long term?
Totally.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Well, I'm glad you're healthy and doing your thing with like renewed resonance. That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And then also you are super active with Women in Jazz.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
We're here at the Wejo booth, and yay! So Women in Jazz organization, we were founded about 2 years ago now, and we have a bunch of programs going on. We have a mentorship program. We're doing monthly radio shows, so it's really exciting. You can check more out at wearewejo.org and join the movement of Women in Jazz.
Yeah, it's been a a little bit too much of a good old boys for a little club for too long.
Yes.
So I'll say it. You didn't say it. I say it. It's I mean, it's it's a pretty insulated community in the past, and we need to open it up. So I'm really grateful for what you've spearheaded here with this.
Thank you. I appreciate
founding
that.
this, and Key Leaves is really proud to support these efforts, and what you're doing.
Thank you.
Because it's it takes a community. So thank you so much for kind of visiting with us here at Jen. I highly encourage you to check out WeAreWijo, WIJO.com. Also, learn more about Roxy Coss and her incredible music and compositions at RoxyCoss.com.
Don't cross the Coss. COSS.
That's right. You got a song about that,
Yeah.
the COSS. And then, of course, Roxy is a Key Leaves artist. You can learn more about her and her involvement with Key Leaves at keyleaves.com. Check out the artist section. You've been using like our soprano products and our tenor products and all the products. So
All the products.
We're loving that you love it. So
Yes.
thanks.
It makes it so much easier to show up. No sticky pads, no gunk on your keys.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah, just keep it healthy.
Yeah.
All right, everybody.
Thanks.
Have fun. We'll see you soon.